Hi, have you ever wondered what the best AI tool is to write a blog? If you've actually asked yourself that question, I'll definitely provide you some value today and show you how you can do that. So my name is Perry. I'm here at the Hampton Network. If you are new to this channel, we do videos on make money online, artificial intelligence, cryptocurrency, and other topics related to finance and the make money online niche. So let's go ahead and get started. So I wanted to show you a couple of tools today. I'm going to be starting off with ChatGPT, and we'll just write a quick blog here in just a second. And I'm going to actually be comparing that to another tool that I use to write blogs that are definitely search engine optimized to rank on the search engine. So let's go ahead and get started here with ChatGPT. And if you don't have an account with ChatGPT, and well, basically, let me tell you a bit about what it is. It's basically an artificial intelligence trained with natural language processing. It's actually been trained on everything on the internet up until the year 2021. It does not know anything after the year 2021, and everything is in this huge database, and it pulls all this information from the database as you go in and query the tool for whatever you're looking for. So what we're going to do today, I'm going to just create a quick blog here, and what you do if you don't have an account yet with ChatGPT, you can just simply navigate to chat.openai.com/chat. And go ahead, and if you don't have an account, you go ahead and create an account. It takes about a minute or so. It'll ask you for your email address and I think your phone number. Once you have that verified, you will have your free account. It's completely free to use right now, as it's currently in beta, and that's why it's free. But at some point in the future, I know they're gonna start charging for this. It won't be a lot, I don't think, but actually. But they won't be charging too much because it's not much for these AI models. So what I'm going to do now is just go in and actually just create a quick blog, and we'll just make one up here. Let's say how So all you have to do is just in ChatGPT is just, you could just say a couple of things. Write me a blog. Okay, so we'll just say write a blog on how to make money, blog outline rather, on how to make money online. So we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, and ChatGPT is actually a wonderful AI tool. I mean, you can do lots of things with ChatGPT, and I'll do, more videos later on that. I just wanted to write up a quick blog if we just kind of show you how you can do it in ChatGPT, and then like I said, I'll show you in my other AI tool here in just a second once we're done with this. So what ChatGPT is doing is creating an outline. It's going to include obviously the introduction and all of the H2 tags here for different topics. It'll go ahead and create us a conclusion or summary here in just a second, and then from there what you can do with ChatGPT is you'll have to expand on each one of these topics here, and then it'll write your blog for you. But what you want to make sure you do as well is you want to take this and edit it. Don't just put it online the way it is, because number one, you want to make sure you read through it and make sure that what it's telling you is accurate. So it would help to know something about the subject in which you're creating a blog for. That way you can go ahead and edit it, put in your own voice, and also make sure it's optimized for search engines. So what I want to do, I'll just show you one of these topics here. And all you have to do, for example, I'll just say expand on number 5, right? And it's going to expand on blogging for us. And you can just use it. You can write this in a number of ways. Okay. So let's just do that. Enter here. And what it's going to do is going to expand on blogging. Okay. And what you would do is you would do the same thing for each of the other topics in this blog. And that's really all you have to do to create a blog in ChatGPT pretty quick. And this also helps you with getting that first draft, and it's actually very, very good. The quality of the writing here is actually very good because the AI is trained on actually writing something that an actual human can understand. So it's actually very good at what it does. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'll let this finish up, and all you have to do is just do the same thing right here on each topic, and then you'll obviously copy it on a notepad or in Word or something where you can actually edit it. And okay, so that's it for GPT, and actually this was a great tool. Now let me go over to Scalenut, and what I'm going to do here is right here, and also I'm going to leave a link for Scalenut in the description if you want to pick this up, but I definitely want to show you how it works first, and if you find value in the video, like I said, I'll leave my affiliate link, and like I said, it is an affiliate link, so it does support the channel, so if you find value in this video, please just go ahead and click that link, and I highly recommend Scalenut. I definitely use this in my business often, almost daily. Okay, so anyway, let's go ahead and do this real quick in Scalenut, and we'll go ahead and create a blog here. So we're going to click on Create Blog in 5 minutes, and what we'll do is we'll type out the same blog title, How to Make Money Online. Okay, and all we're going to do is just type that in. That's all you need to do. Oops, let me go back. I shouldn't have clicked off. Let me type that in again. Okay, so now we'll just hit start. Okay, and now what it's doing is it's creating what's called an SEO report. As you can see right here, it's generating all the competition, all these values it's generating. This is going to take, they say it takes about 60 seconds. So what I'm going to do, keep the video short. I'm going to pause the video here, and I'll start it back up once it's created the SEO report. Be right back. And it actually took about a minute for Scalenut to go ahead and create the SEO report. So right here, what you can do if you want, you can tell a little bit more about exactly what you want to write about. You don't necessarily have to do this. So just to keep the video short, I'm not going to do that. But what I'm going to do is just go ahead and click on create the title here. And what it'll do is you have AI generated titles, and also you have top ranked titles here based on other searches. What we'll do real quick, I'll just do the AI generated title. Let's see here. Let's see this one, how to make money online, how to make money from home. Let's just use that. And all you have to do is just click on it. You see here, click to add. Just click on it right there. And all you have to do is just, and it's going to give you suggestions here for a word count, which means, you know, the make money online niche is, make money online topic, rather, there's a, you know, pretty competitive niche. So as you can see here, it's recommended that you're going to have to write about a 3,800 word count article. So this will be a pretty big article. I've written blogs that were more than 4,000 words. So anyway, all we're going to do now is just we've selected the title that we want over here. We just hit create outline. Now it's going to do pretty much the same thing that ChatGPT did, but it's going to be you're going to have a lot more choices in terms of search engine optimization. So either you can select from some of these topics here that is the top ranked outlines, or you can just simply click here. Let's just do this, click on the AI suggestions, and it's going to suggest actual headings for us, and specifically H2 tags. So let's just click on just a couple. I'm only going to do 1 or 2. And then what we can do here, another great thing about Scalenut, you can actually click on AI suggestions for the frequently asked questions. And it'll also generate frequently asked questions for you, which is very important for blogging to get it ranked. So let's just select out of the 2 of these. Now, if I was actually doing an actual real blog, and this is just for demonstration purposes, I would spend about anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, hour and a half on this blog to get it, you know, because we want to, it says we need a suggested A score. Right now we're at F, and only because we haven't created any content yet. So I would take a lot of time to get this ready. So now all you have to do is click generate writing points. It's going to generate writing points based off of what we've already chosen here. So let me just click that, and you can, this doesn't take that long for it to do. So if I think it's going to take a little longer, I'll pause the video, but great, it's done. So right here, you can see the H2 tags that we chose. It's giving us some talking points about this. Okay, if you want to create another talking point, you can just add it here. Just click there and add it if you want to. I'm not going to do it in this video because I want to keep this kind of short. So right here, it created all talking points for our H2 tags and also our frequently asked questions. Okay, so now all you have to do to show you how easy this is, click on generate content. Okay, so it's generating the content. You can see how quickly it's going to write, and also keep up with the word count here. Okay, so right now we're at 378 words. Okay, we're up to 517. So if you would have added more frequently asked questions and more H2 tags, this thing, you could have easily did a blog that was 3,800 words long. So now what you do from here, since you got your first draft, go and click preview. Okay, it's starting to look kind of like a blog now, because it's formatted everything for you. It is absolutely perfect the way Scalenut does this. Okay, you can either download your draft here in either PDF, HTML, Word doc, or you can do what I typically do, and it'll automatically save this, okay? Then you just click export into editor, okay? This right here is very powerful because you can edit this, and you can also add, you know, more headlines if you want to. You can just hit enter here and just, you know, for example, how to make money on Etsy, and what you can do right here is right now it's a normal paragraph, but you can make it H2, okay? And just hit enter. And now if you just wanted to write some more for you, you can just simply click right here, and it should write something for you on how to make money on Etsy, okay? So see that? So Scalenut is absolutely wonderful, and so there's a bunch of other things, you know, the key terms here, this right here, once again, we're talking about SEO, search engine optimization. You want to make sure you do this, because everything you do over here, see this gray, it means, you know, you should have tutor in here at least, you know, 1 to 7 times. So if you add tutor in here somewhere, this is going to be green like these right here, okay? So you can do this all throughout the document, okay? And it's only showing these because I did a small, just a few headlines and just a few frequently asked questions. So right here, it suggests your suggested reading level. 4th grade should be the reading level. It tells you obviously the word count. So we need about another 3,000 words, and right now we're up to a D. So you can check out the competition, check out other blogs that are written on the same topic. And also there you're going to have a list of questions from Google, Quora, and other AI suggestions here. So all you have to do is just go through these here and edit your content. After you do that, you can simply, you know, export this, export it once again as a PDF, a doc, or HTML, and then you'll have a wonderful blog to post on your site. And obviously at some point it would get ranked. SEO could take some time depending on, like I said, the domain authority of your blog and how SEO optimized your actual website and blog is. So it could take some time, so don't expect it to happen right away. But I mentioned earlier that I would, you know, tell you which was the best for writing blogs. And ChatGPT is great, but Scalenut by far. If you want a great blog that's optimized for search engines and will rank, you definitely want to use Scalenut. Now you can still use ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is great for a bunch of other things, and I'm going to do another video on that as well a little later. So I basically just wanted to kind of show you a comparison of the two AI tools, and I actually love them both, and I actually use both of them for my business. So once again, you know, if you got some value from this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And also, if you want, check out the link in the description. You know, and just go ahead and pick up Scalenut, and you could definitely, you know, write some great blogs using this tool. So hope you learned something from the video. You guys take care, and I hope you have a wonderful day.